Don Bosco dreamt that his sons would carry forward his God-given work in different parts of the world. Already in the 1870s, Pope Pius IX had offered Don Bosco 20 vicariates in India, and Don Bosco was prepared to send John Caliero to pioneer the Salesian mission there. But for some reasons, this did not materialize. Finally, in 1906, his zealous sons reached India. They began working at first in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu, before moving up north to Assam. As Salesian presence became consolidated in the south and northeast of the country, Salesians began moving out into new frontiers. Fathers Hauber and Dellert were the first to come to Bombay. The first canonically erected house in the region was declared in 1932. In 1938, the General Council allowed for land to be purchased in Matunga. Father Aurelius Maschio wasted no time in settling the land deed and beginning construction. He solicited help in cash and kind from local and foreign sources under the banner of Don Bosco Donation Scheme. By 1969, the work in the Bombay and Goa regions had developed so much that it became necessary to establish a separate province. Father Dennis Duarte was made the head of the delegation, and he subsequently became the first provincial when the province was erected on 31st January 1972 with Saint Francis Xavier as its patron. The Mumbai province, as of this day, has the following presences in the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. The work in Banaswara, Rajasthan is still in its infancy stage. In the Diocese of Nasik, there are 5 canonically erected houses: Savedi and St. Anne's Church with St. John's Church, Bingar, and Bosco Gramin Vikas Kendra, Kedgaon, attached to it in the Ahmednagar region. Don Bosco Parish and School in the city of Nasik, besides the novitiate and the post-novitiate studentate of philosophy. In the Diocese of Jabwa, there is a single presence at Alirajpur, carrying out diverse works. In the Diocese of Baroda, Salesian work is carried out by 5 presences: Makarpura, Vishwamitri, Kawant, Narukot and Chota Udaipur. In the Diocese of Ahmedabad lies Dakor and Kapadwanj, which reach out to the poor. In the Archdiocese of Bombay lie the majority of houses: Andheri, 2 houses in Borivali, Kurla, Matunga, Nerul, 3 houses at Wadala and Karjat. In the Diocese of Pune, Lonavla, Yerwada, Koregaon Park, Chinchwad and Chakan offer services to the young and needy. In the Diocese of Aurangabad, there is a relatively young presence at Waluj. In the Diocese of Vasai, there are 3 presences: Naigaon, Walvanda and Resurrection Church in Virar, with Jyoti Mata Church in Vasai attached to it. In the Apostolic Vicariate of Northern Arabia, the province runs an Indian English Academy and a parish.
May your spirit, Lord, guide me everywhere I go. Make me a channel through which your blessings flow. May your spirit, Lord, guide me everywhere I go. Make me a channel through which your blessings flow.
May I find you in the sick and in the
they need again. May your Spirit, Lord, guide me everywhere I go. Make me a channel through which your blessings